Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw up tile sets for your games in Unity. And if you want to know how to use tile sets in Unity with tile maps, I'll put a link to my video for that in the description below. But without any further ado, let's get right into this. So when you're making your new sprite, you're going to have to be careful about what size you pick. So depending on the size of the textures in your game, say you have a 16 by 16 game, you're going to need to make it 4 times the size. So for 16 it would be 64, for 32 it would be 128, and for 64 it would be 256. But for my one, I'm just going to go with 64 by 64 because I'm usually going 16 by 16, so I'm going to be going with that. So once you're in here, each of these squares is going to be one of your tiles. So what you want to do is you want to get your first tile, and for just example I'm just going to make it this one here, and you can just draw out a line. See, for this one you want it to be sort of seamless so that it'll work properly. So simple thing to do is you actually just get your box tool, put it here. So this is going to be, say it's like a boulder or like a mountain, and then what you do is you'd have each one of those tiles. You gotta make sure you stick to the tiles because otherwise it'll just look weird. And so for this one, maybe we'll have it a bit snow-capped, and so that's where my square will be. And to make sure that you have got it perfect, you can select all of your square with the select tool, do Control C, Control V, then you can drag it around, and you can see mine is perfectly the size of one of these squares. So now I'm just going to add a bit of detail, and now I'm really bad at pixel art, so this doesn't look good at all, but you'd have an actually decent drawing. So when you have this, you can go here, you want to save as, just call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call this tutorial tile map, and you want to do here PNG files, click OK. And now to split it properly in Unity, I'm just going to show you how to do that. And so once you've loaded up into whatever Unity thing you have, you want to find your new file. Mine is here. Yeah. And now you can see we have this. You want to set our pixels per unit to whatever the file size or the size of each little square was. So mine was 16. And click apply. And now you want to make sure for any pixel art, point no filter and compression to none. Click apply, go into your sprite editor, and you also have to select the sprite mode to multiple. Now click apply, go into your sprite editor, slice, grid by cell size 16 by 16, and then you can see it sliced each different tile. Click apply, and now you can see we have all of our different tiles, and you can simply have your tile map, and if you open up your tile palette, you can just drag these in after you create your new palette. Just create it just for this example. You can see you can drag each individual square, and what you can do is you can just draw with it. So you can see, draw this like here. And once you draw that up, you can play. Now you have your tile map. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.